Hi sisters, James Charles here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. You're probably thinking, wow James, you look really bad. And trust me, okay, I can see the mirror and I agree. Now as you guys know, I live in the city of Los Angeles, California, and obviously because of COVID-19, we are all under stay-at-home orders. And for LA in particular, today, the day that I'm filming this, marks our 60th day in quarantine. 2 official months. Now, at this point, okay, I'm starting to get a little bit anxious. My motivation to do literally anything at this point has pretty much plummeted. I've been so lazy. I've been going to bed at ungodly hours watching Netflix until like 4 in the morning. I haven't been putting on outfits. I've been in Sisters Apparel sweatpants nonstop, which is not the worst thing in the world because they're extremely comfortable and you should shop now at sisters-apparel.com. My hair is like 18 inches overgrown. I haven't put makeup on in weeks. My beard is growing in. I am a man in case anybody was not aware beforehand. So for today's YouTube video, I thought it would be kind of fun to try to do like a quarantine at home full makeover. I'm talking my own haircut, trying to do my own nails, okay, waxing the beard and the facial hair, giving myself a spray tan. Grab your snacks, let's get started. All right, what? What?
Yeah.
Okay, you guys, hello, good morning. I am very, very excited for today's full-on transformation. I just woke up. I currently look like that I got hit by a bus. I am well aware. There's a lot of things that need to happen today in a short period of time. Obviously, I have not yet showered, and that is because I have a very specific order of which I want to do my tasks of this makeover today. The first one being a spray tan because I'm looking a little bit pale. I've lost my tan and I want to get it back. But before that, okay, I need to make sure that my body is fully hairless. So.
Oh, absolutely not. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, no.
Oh no.
I'm purposely not going down to the butt.
Why? Pan down, mama. Give them the pan. Give them what they want.
That smells.
Okay, I have these nice waxing strips that we got from the store, and I'm just basically going to get rid of the hairs. Says, ready when you are, just rub, peel, and go.
Oh.
The worst part of my facial hair is always right here on my chin, so I'm just gonna shove this here and see if it'll really rip the roots out. Ready?
Yeah. Oh.
Literally not a single hair.
I think these are for a woman. Delicate woman.
What are you talking about? I am a delicate woman.
Look at those hairs still there.
Stop!
Oh.
These are big boys. Wish you could wax my butt on camera.
Oh, I'm so glad we can't.
Okay, ready? Give me 1, 2, 3.
1,
2. Ah! Oh, there's like a few hairs in there. Look at all the hairs that are still there.
like covered in wax.
Ew, ow! Okay, at this point, we're gonna cut the video, and I'm gonna hop in the shower, and I'm gonna go shave. Yeah, and then we'll be right back when I'm hairless, because this is not gonna work. Alright, you guys, so I'm fresh out of the shower, fully shaved as best as I possibly could, you know, get in all the nooks and crannies. And my hair somehow looks even worse than before, but you know what, we're gonna fix it a little bit later on with my own haircut. God, wish me luck with that. But anyway, for right now, it is time to do my own tan, because I'm looking a little bit pale. I'm actually really excited to tell you guys that today's video is in partnership with Bondi Sands. They are an Australian tanning brand, and I actually learned about them, I think it was like 2 or 3 years ago, the first time that I was ever in Australia, from my really good friend, Brickell. And I like their products a lot because obviously they're self-tanning, which is important, but I like the color undertones that Bondi Sands has because it's more like olive toned, whereas a lot of other tanning products are orange, which is not the move. So yeah, I'm just going to squirt a nice amount onto my little tanning glove. And for this I use the color light/medium, by the way. They do have a dark as well. So we're just going to rub it on my leg and we're just going to do even strokes all over. You know, even strokes for even folks. Okay, so I am really a fan of self-tanning in general, especially with the Bondi Sands products. If you guys have followed me for a while, you know that I used to get spray tans all the time. Okay, I'm not gonna pretend like that wasn't like a thing, but I like self-tanning a lot better. One, because it's a lot less expensive. Okay, those spray tan appointments, although they looked great, were very, very pricey, and I would have to get them touched up all the time, whereas this you literally just rub on and then just wait a few hours. Like, obviously we're filming this during the day as well, but usually I'll just do this before bed, and then I'll sleep in it, and then I'll wake up the next morning and be beautiful and tan.
Yeah, it's really nice and bronzed.
Right? Oops, I missed an area right down there. Alright you guys, so I have it pretty much applied over my entire body now, and I'm just going to use the excess tanning that's left on the mitt and just do my face. So I'm not going to do like a full squirt on here, just because I don't want it to be crazy. Alright you guys, so in a second I'm going to cut, I'm going to tan my nice butt cheeks, put some clothes back on, and then I'm going to let this tan sit in my body for about 6 hours. Oops. 6 hours in order to get the best results so I can have that beautiful Australian glow. I'm going to take a warm shower and wipe everything off, and it'll be beautiful. So in the meantime, I have all my other quarantine makeover steps to get started. But if you guys want to check out any of the Bondi Sands products, head on over to bondisands.com and you guys can use code James for 20% off. Enjoy your tan. Okay, you guys, so before we head on to the harder parts of this transformation, like doing my own nails and cutting my own hair, I want to show you guys one super easy and really cute way to get fake freckles using actual henna. In case you guys don't know what henna is, it is basically a natural type of a temporary tattoo used in Indian culture to do literally the most stunning, beautiful body art ever. And you guys know that I love fake freckles and literally put them on all the time, and I was looking into how to like actually achieve them a few months ago, and a lot of people were using actual natural henna to do them, so I ordered a bunch on Etsy. If you guys decide to do this, by the way, make sure that you don't just get like stupid store-bought henna. Get it on either Amazon or Etsy, and make sure you're searching for natural stuff, or else it's gonna look so bad. And I've tried this many times before, so don't worry, but I'm just going to use my henna cone and give myself some faux freckles. So basically all I'm gonna do is just start putting little dots all over my face. And I know this is gonna look absolutely crazy, okay? We're gonna leave this on for pretty much as long as the spray tan, so we'll take it off at the same time. But when we take this off, it's gonna leave a really natural looking, super light, orangey, reddish brown stain on your skin for a few days that looks exactly like real freckles. Like I said, do I look crazy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Trust me, okay? It's gonna look so good and a lot less ridiculous.
Dalmatian realness.
Alright you guys, so the next step of our quarantine glow up is going to be doing my own nails. Now this, I am so scared for, okay? I've never done my own nails before. I work with a lot of really amazing nail techs here in LA. I got this set a few weeks ago, and as you can see, they are very grown out. So I guess I'm gonna try to give myself a fill today. So I've gotten my nails done enough times now to kind of know the basic like techniques of what needs to happen. And I know that I need to start off by getting rid of the top coat and gel polish that was on there already. You know what I just realized?
What?
I'm putting my feet are in the water. Oh no. Bondi Sands, sweetie, I'm so sorry. That's my own fault. That is not the brand's fault, okay? Please don't cancel my sponsorship. Okay, gonna put a nice bead on there. That was a big bead. And I'm just gonna place this bead. Look at how bad this looks.
It looks milky.
That's an adjective for sure. Okay, I guess that is one nail all complete. And I have 9 other ones that frankly I don't want to do and probably am not gonna do if we're being honest. So yeah, this is gonna be bad. And let's just move on with the makeover. All right, you guys, we are back upstairs in the bathroom. My tan is starting to look a little bit dark right now. Don't worry, we're gonna wash it off. But now it is time for the haircut. Now, this is by far the part that I'm most scared about, but with quarantine, all the barbershops are closed, so we're gonna try this ourselves. I ordered a nice set of razors and guards online. I'm horrified of this. Okay, here goes nothing. Do you want a haircut? Yeah. Do you want a haircut?
Oh, you just really ripped a chunk off there. James, look at what just came in.
Oh my god! No! Is this a pretty serious moment?
Oh, wait.
Oh no.
Because that's
Wait,
like,
can you please take a picture of James and show him?
that's gonna be like unfixable. Mama, it's going very thin.
Oh my god!
How do we feel?
I'm gonna cry.
What do we do now?
I don't really know what to do now.
The back is my biggest issue.
Well, you didn't get back there yet, right?
Oh, Angel.
On a scale from 1 to 10, how do you think it is?
This is definitely a solid, like, 1.
Oh.
I mean, look how fierce this is right here. We almost got you to the scalp there, George.
Okay, the hair's done. I had to call in some backup, like majority of this video has been thus far. Things ended up getting a little bit shorter than they were supposed to. I think it looks good. Dustin really saved it. I look very dark. It is definitely now time to fix the situation, starting off with the faux freckles. I'm very excited to show you guys how this actually works. So first, I'm going to start picking off my little spots. Ready?
What is going on?
Nothing. Nothing is going on. Oh my god, you can't see him because of tan. Maybe the henna stained through the tan, and once I shower, you know, the tan will wash off a little bit and the freckles will actually be there. So
wishful
that's
thinker.
some big brain scientifical thinking.
No, that's delusion.
Oh no. This particular angle for this mirror selfie and the ray of light coming in is very, very reminiscent of a certain photo that we've all seen. I'm gonna go in the sun too so you guys can see how gorgeous and natural do these henna freckles look. Like, I'm so obsessed. I wish my skin looked like this all the time. And you can layer makeup over top of them just like always, and they just naturally fade away. So if you guys want a good, easy way to do faux freckles, check out getting natural henna. And now all that we have left is a makeup tutorial. So I will see you guys in a little bit and we'll finish up the vlog. Okay, you guys, it has been a very, very long and questionable roller coaster of a day of these transformations. But we are finally here in the studio for the very last step of this quarantine glow up, and that is going to be the makeup routine. Now, I have not been doing full glam, but there are a few steps that I've been taking every single morning just to get myself up and just like I'm feeling ready for the day. So I'm just going to grab a little bit of setting mist first, just to give a nice hydrating, you know, like boost to it. And then what I'm gonna do is grab the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and this is in the shade Warm Beige, which happens to be my spray tan color. And I'm literally just going to use like the tiniest bit of foundation only on problem spots. So like right here on my jawline, I have a few pimples, and I'm literally just gonna pat this right into place. See, there we go. It looks like my natural skin, and that is the base routine already done and complete. I'm just gonna grab a cream bronzer just to add a little bit of dimension. I'm just gonna move right along to a highlighter, and I'm gonna grab the Morphe highlighting stick in the shade 00. I'm just gonna rub my finger on the top of it just like this, and I'm going to pat it onto the high points of my face just to add more dimension. I'm gonna grab the brand new Patrick Ta Beauty Brow Wax. These just launched and look literally so cool. All you have to do is activate this using a little bit of setting spray. So I'm just gonna grab the Morphe one, and then I'm just gonna grab any spoolie, and I'm going to rub it right along in there. And then I'm just going to use this product, and I'm going to run it through the hairs. Oh, that is such a chic brow, Patrick. And then whatever excess is left on my spoolie, I'm just going to run this through my eyelashes. Then I'm gonna grab my lash curler, and I'm just going to give these a nice pinch. The very last step, which is going to be a little pop of Fenty gloss, just so the lips are popping. I hate that I just said that. And that finally completes our quarantine glow up. Oh my gosh, it feels so good to finally be done with all of my self-care steps for today's quarantine glow up. It is currently 9:31 p.m. and we started this morning at 10 a.m. At this point, I don't even know if it was worth it because of how challenging today was. I definitely learned my lesson to leave it to the professionals. Obviously, you guys do not need to do this entire glow up routine, but I think these are super fun and easy ways just to care for yourself during quarantine and to keep yourself motivated and confident. If you guys enjoyed today's video and you like the finished result, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up down below and show your love and support. It really does help me out so much. If you have not already, make sure you click that big red subscribe button down below and come join this sisterhood. We are 19 million sisters strong, and I would love to have you in the family. And also click that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a brand new video. If you'd like to follow me on my makeup journey, you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and Facebook, or all just James Charles. My Snapchat for more behind the scenes type stuff is James Charles with an extra S after Charles. And if you want to text me on my personal phone number for updates on new videos, merch, photos, and exclusive information, my number is 310-905-8746. This video's sister shout out goes to Sister Miran. Thank you so much, love, for always following and supporting. I love you so much. And if you watching would like to be the next video's sister shout out, don't forget to always retweet my video links when they go live on Twitter, and also turn on my YouTube post notifications. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video today. Thank you once again to Bond I Stands for partnering with me. I love you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.